Understanding the phrase, mods, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the term, mods. If you've heard this word before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Mods is a short form for modifications. In general English, it refers to changes, adjustments, or alterations made to an original item or concept to improve, personalize, or adapt it. 1. Video games. One of the most popular contexts you might hear mods in is video gaming. Players often use mods to change or add new features to a game. For example, someone might use a mod to add new characters, levels, or to improve graphics. 2. Cars and bikes. In the automobile world, enthusiasts often modify their vehicles for better performance or aesthetics. When they say they've added some mods, they usually mean they've added or changed something in their vehicle. 3. Fashion. Occasionally, you might hear someone talking about mods in the context of fashion. This could refer to certain modifications or adjustments made to clothing or accessories. 1. I just installed some new mods for my video game, and it looks incredible now. 2. Did you see Jake's car? He's made a lot of cool mods to it. 3. This jacket was a bit plain, so I made some mods by adding some patches and embroidery. And that wraps up our discussion on mods. Remember, the context in which it's used is crucial for understanding its meaning. Whether it's video games, vehicles, or fashion, mods are all about personalization and improvement. Hope this video helped clear things up. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!